Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make delicious egg curry. So let's start the process. First of all, heat oil in a vessel. Add garlic, curry leaves and fry for 5 minutes. Now add onion. Fry for 10 minutes on medium flame. When onion is light golden brown in color, add coconut. Fry for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add turmeric powder. Add garam masala powder. Fry for 5 minutes. Now grind the masala in a fine paste. In the same vessel, pour the masala mixture. Add water to it. Add kokum. Add salt. When it comes to a boil, add coriander leaves. Now slowly add the eggs, one by one. Close the vessel to cook the eggs from inside for 5 minutes. The egg curry with rice. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos for more delicious recipes. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.